In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zoho CRM account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for, so you can get into your account quickly and safely every time. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in the Zoho CRM login page or simply go to the main Zoho login page. Make sure you're on the official Zoho site before you proceed. You can usually confirm this by checking that the web address looks correct and that the connection is secure, which is often indicated by a small lock icon next to the URL. Once the login page has loaded, you'll see a field where you can enter your email address. This should be the email that's registered to your Zoho account. Carefully type it in, making sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, as those can sometimes cause issues. If you use multiple email accounts, double-check that you're entering the one associated with Zoho CRM to avoid any confusion or error messages. After entering your email, move on to the password field. Here, type in the password that you created for your Zoho account. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. If you have caps lock turned on by accident, your password may not work. Take a second to verify that caps lock is off and that you're entering any numbers or special characters correctly. If you're copying and pasting from a password manager, be sure it hasn't added any extra spaces. With both your email and password entered correctly, you're ready to sign in. Look for the Sign In button on the page and click it. The system will process your login details, and if everything matches, you'll be taken into your Zoho CRM account. From there, you can start managing your leads, contacts, deals, and all your other CRM data. If you see an error at this stage, it usually means either the email or password is incorrect, so try retyping them carefully. But as long as your details are right, clicking Sign In is all you need to access your Zoho CRM.